Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribe before the end of this video. And a very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all for keep on turning in. May God continue to bless you all. So today is another tutorial, another look, another eyeshadow look. Yes, as you can see. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay to the end. See you guys on my next video. Love you all. Bye. So as you can see, I'm done with the eyebrows. So now I'm going to be doing another look. So yeah, I'm using NYX. That is what I'll be using now. So I'm blending. So I'm applying the Jovial Place concealer because it's more little bit lighter than my skin. Buttercup. You know, it's another look. I'm using from Revolution, so I'll take this light blue here. No cut crease. This is without cut crease. So what I will be doing, because this pink is not giving me that vibe which I need. So I will try this technique which I did before. Use my pink lipstick. I think I'm using the wrong one. So I'll be using the pink. Yeah, this is the right one. I will first of all use the lipstick. Another new technique, so it with this, or use brush. Pink glinter. So now I'll be going for the primer, foundation, and also, yeah, I will forward those place, so you know, no time. So here is the finished look of this tutorial of this look. So this is the end of this video. If you love this video and you watch it from beginning to the end, please give it a thumbs up. See you guys on my next video. Love you all. Bye.